Yeah, of course. Of course, we're ready.
Pero may coordination po sa ulo.
So far, wala pa naman.
Where will she be staying, sir?
Sino po?
Saan po siya mag-stay?
Well, the Vice President has a designated holding area in this building.
Hindi po sa defense room, sa sarili siyang room.
Well, it's up to her kung of course, that's her team, di ba? So,
But she has her own, aside from the defense.
yeah, aside from the defense holding area, she has his own holding area.
Sir, is she allowed to go to the office of senator judges?
I'm not sure. I think because the senator judges it's already on the impeachment trial, di ba? So parang they siguro mas may iwas na silang because it's already on trial.
Sir, so we're not expecting any senator to receive her once she arrives in the Senate?
I don't know about that.
So nagpasabi niya. We're expecting her.
Well, every day we expect her to come because she's on trial. So any day she might come, and the Senate is ready to accept her.
So today, sir, she might
Today, well, meron silang mga sabi pero we don't know if she's come.
pasabi, sir.
Sir, just the same yung security arrangement natin, even kapag darating ang Vice President, may changes po ba?
None. Kung ano po yung nakikita ninyo, ito na po yun. And then, of course, the Vice President has her own security detail.
After nung day 1 ng trial, sir, may changes ba tayong i-adapt after natin makita yung situation yung setup sa Senate?
So far, wala na. Maybe yung ating sa labas, baka yung ating mga CDM deployment, baka magbawas tayo ng konti.
Babawas pa, sir? Babawas po?
Ang CDM deployment natin, I think magbabawas sila.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Ayun mga kapartner, napakinggan po natin si Senate Secretary General Corpus at sinabi niya na may impormasyon silang darating nga si Vice President Sara Duterte ngayong ikalawang araw ng kanyang impeachment trial, pero yan ang ating aabangan kung positibo nga bang dadalo ngayong araw si Vice President Sara Duterte. Sinabi niya na kapag dadalo ang Vice Presidente ay may nakalaan sa kanyang sariling holding area. Depende yon sa defense panel kung mag-stay siya sa defense panel room. Pero sabi nga ni Corpus ay may designated area na sarili ang Vice Presidente dito sa loob ng Senado. At antabayanan natin ang pagdating ni Vice President Sara Duterte.